Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, November 19th, 2018, and today in our Tech News, we have iCloud. That is a problem that some of you have already reported on my channel, but with the October 2018 update, the iCloud install doesn't work. Now, that also means that for most of you that use this software, the update is also stalled. So that means that if you use iCloud app on Windows, well, there is a problem, and well, the October 2018 update is not showing up for you yet. Of course, Microsoft says it's working with Apple, and that eventually, soon, it should be fixed. YouTube has been offering and started offering some feature films, like, for example, The Terminator or Rocky, for free on its YouTube service, as long as you accept viewing ads. Meaning, if you use an ad block, these movies will not play. And of course, YouTube is trying out several movies like that. I don't know how many at some point could be available, but it's not bad of an idea to actually give us a few freebies in, of course, the exchange of watching a couple of ads. Well, the latest iPad Pro suffers from a pretty weak frame, apparently. It is the most delicate iPad ever made. Very easy to bend. Actually, you don't even need a lot of force to bend it and even break it. As we look at this, and it reminds us of the famous iPhone 6 bend gate. Some users have been reporting that the Mail app in Windows 10 was displaying ads, and of course a lot of people started looking at this. Now Microsoft came back and said, well, although yes, we were looking and checking out the possibility of this, no, it's not rolling out and people should not see ads. As a lot of people were saying, well, if you're not an Office 365 subscriber, you're having ads in Mail and so on. But it seems more like Microsoft backed off than anything else. But I don't know. We have yet to see somebody with a screenshot of these ads. So a report from the Wall Street Journal says that Apple has reduced production of the latest iPhones, the iPhone 10, by 30%, with sales that are lower than expected by Apple itself, and also explains why its partners have been getting lower share prices, as Apple have asked them to also produce less parts for the iPhone. Many users are wondering why Tumblr app has disappeared from the Apple App Store. A lot of users noticed that the app was not available anymore, yet nobody is saying anything about it, so we kind of don't know why. Tim Cook was under fire in Congress because it had to explain one little detail. As the company says that it's really, privacy oriented. It wants to make sure users are, basically having the best privacy on any device. It also says that, or had to explain, why did Apple pay billions of dollars to Google to have the search engine on its devices, and at the same time, knowing that the Google search engine kind of removes some of that privacy. Many voices are being heard with a lot of frustration as the Amazon HQ2, the second headquarters that were one at Crystal City, Virginia, and also in New York City, they also are saying, well, why did these places give $4.5 billion in tax cuts to Amazon? Because they say Amazon doesn't need tax cuts. It should actually pay its taxes like everybody else. And so a lot of people are saying, well, you know what? We shouldn't do this. Give so much incentives to big companies like that just for them to actually show up where you are. A report says that one of the reasons behind the fact that Facebook hasn't lost that many amount of users, even though there were a lot of security and privacy concerns, the Cambridge Analytica scandal, is that there's so many souvenirs and moments with friends that are within the Facebook social media, that people don't want to lose that, so they just stay there, even though they're not happy with Facebook, because they don't want to lose all that they've seen and all that they've actually shared. A report says that the UK is not doing enough to make sure its critical infrastructure, like the power grid, water supply, and other vital services, are secure from internet attacks. That report even says that it seems that in some cases it could actually be very easy to bring everything down, and that it is something to be worried about. And of course, that the government needs to do much better job at securing all of this. And finally, a report says that up to 71% of online shoppers will be shopping this Black Friday. And that means it might be the biggest online event since the beginning of the internet shopping. And of course, this event has attracted more and more people every year, becoming a major event. Of course, there's Cyber Monday also. And even though we're not there yet, there already is a lot of Black Friday deals for some. But it seems that this is going to be a pretty big thing. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, November 19th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.